Nestled along the picturesque Dalmatian coast of Croatia, Makarska stands as a hidden gem awaiting discovery by avid travelers seeking a perfect blend of natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture. This coastal town, graced by the Adriatic Sea on one side and the imposing Biokovo mountain range on the other, offers an unparalleled experience that captivates the senses and leaves an indelible mark on the hearts of those fortunate enough to explore its wonders. Makarska boasts some of the most breathtaking beaches along the Adriatic coastline. The famous Makarska Riviera is adorned with pebbly shores and crystal-clear waters that beckon sun-seekers and water enthusiasts alike. The vibrant blue hues of the sea against the backdrop of lush greenery create a mesmerizing panorama that is simply unforgettable. Steeped in history, Makarska's old town is a charming labyrinth of cobblestone streets, historic churches, and vibrant squares. The Franciscan monastery, dating back to the 16th century, stands as a testament to the town's rich cultural heritage. Strolling through the narrow alleys, visitors can immerse themselves in the authentic atmosphere of this coastal Croatian gem. Makarska, Croatia, is a destination that transcends the ordinary, inviting travelers to experience a harmonious blend of nature, history, and culture. Whether it's the idyllic beaches, the majestic mountains, or the charming old town, every facet of Makarska contributes to the creation of a travel experience that is nothing short of magical. For those seeking an escape to a coastal paradise, Makarska awaits with open arms, promising an unforgettable journey along the enchanting Adriatic coast.